In this video, you'll learn how to build an aesthetic cozy planner using Notion. This guide will take you through each step, ensuring your planner is visually appealing and functional. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your account or create a new account if needed. Next, locate the option to create a new page. This can usually be found in the sidebar on the left. Click on Add New Page to initiate the creation of your planner. A blank page will appear where you can start customizing your content. After adding the new page, consider enhancing its aesthetics by adding a cover image. Look for the option labeled Add Cover at the top of your new page. This feature allows you to choose an image that complements the cozy theme you desire. Continue by clicking Change Cover to select a new image. A menu will pop up revealing various image sources. Click on Unsplash to access a library of high-quality images that you can use for your planner's cover. In the search bar that appears, type in keywords related to the aesthetic you want, such as gaming. This action will display a selection of images relevant to your search. Browse through the results and choose an image that resonates with your planner's theme. Once you've selected an image, click on it to set it as your cover. This visual element adds a personalized touch and sets the tone for your planner. Now, create a new subpage within your planner. Click on the option for New Page again to begin organizing different sections of your planner. This can help you compartmentalize various aspects of your planning. Next, type in the title you want for this new page. For example, you might title it Gaming Planner. This title defines the focus of the subpage and helps you stay organized. After naming your subpage, click on any blank space to ensure you are in editing mode. This allows you to add content freely without any restrictions. To create a structured layout, type in /3 columns in the blank space. This command will create a 3-column layout, perfect for organizing different elements of your planner side by side. Once the 3 columns are displayed, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of one of the columns. Click on these dots to access additional options for the column settings. Select full width from the options presented. This setting expands the column to utilize the entire width of the page, enhancing the visual appeal of your planner. Now, click on the first column to start adding content. This is where you will input various elements, such as images or text, that contribute to your planner's overall aesthetic. Type in /image within the first column to insert an image. This command prompts Notion to allow you to upload or select an image from its gallery. When prompted, click on Unsplash to access the image library once again. Here you can search for images that fit your planner's theme. Type in gaming or any relevant keyword to find suitable images. Choose an image that you feel best represents the content you want to include. After selecting your desired image, click on it to insert it into the column. This enhances the visual aspect of your planner and creates an inviting layout. Next, select the second column by clicking on it. This column will be used for additional content, such as lists or notes related to your gaming planner. Type in /callout in the second column. This action allows you to create a call-out box, which can be used to highlight important information or tips. In the call-out box, type in the ideas or notes you want to emphasize. This feature helps draw attention to key elements of your planner. To duplicate any content, click on the 6 dots associated with the item you wish to copy. This will allow you to replicate content without having to recreate it from scratch. After duplicating, you could easily rearrange the elements by dragging them to different columns. This flexibility allows you to customize the layout to your liking. Continue to build your planner by typing in /to-do list to add a task list feature. This is essential for keeping track of your gaming ideas and plans. Finally, add more lists or sections as needed to complete your planner. Each addition contributes to the overall functionality and aesthetic coherence. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.